darkness, a sparkle in the skies. The bass line shakes the pavement, the drums are keeping time. We're stepping into greatness, the moment's yours and mine. It's our time to soar, higher than before. The tech queen's crown is shining, we're ready to explore. No limits, no boundaries, the sky's an open door. Together we're unstoppable. It's our time to soar. Every note's a promise, every chord's a dream. Piano keys are dancing on melodies unseen. The future's bright and waiting, just grab it with your wings. The world is ours to conquer, let freedom reign. The saxophone is wailing, the trumpet's loud and clear. A symphony of courage for everyone to hear. The groove is in our footsteps, the fire's in our soul. We're writing our own story, we're taking back control. We got time to soar, higher than before. The tech queen's crown is shining, we're ready to explore. No limits, no boundaries, the sky's an open door. Together we're unstoppable.
Good afternoon. Just a second here. Today, the Urban Chamber of Commerce proudly recognizes an entrepreneur who is using technology, education, and innovation to create opportunities and empower others. Coach D of Tech Queen Elite Training Institute represents the entrepreneurial spirit that drives our small business community forward. Through technology, focused training, and professional development, she is helping individuals strengthen their skills, increase their confidence, and prepare for opportunity in today's rapidly evolving digital economy. Her commitment to making technology education more accessible demonstrates how a small business can make a meaningful impact, while also helping develop the workforce and entrepreneurs of tomorrow. The Small Business of the Year Technology Award recognizes a business that demonstrates innovation, excellence, entrepreneurship, and a commitment to using technology to positively impact our community. Please join us in congratulating Coach D and Tech Queen Elite Training Institute, recipients of the 2026 Urban Chamber of Commerce Green Tie Award for Small Business of the Year in Technology.
Thank you, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Wow, I am truly honored to stand before you this morning and accept this Green Tie Award. I want to first say thank you to the Urban Chamber of Commerce, its leadership, board, staff, and everyone involved in making the Green Tie Awards such an important celebration. A celebration of entrepreneurship, leadership, and community. The Urban Chamber reminds us that when we build strong businesses, we build stronger communities. I accept this award with tremendous gratitude, but I don't accept it alone. This recognition represents every student who believes in a bigger future. Every young person who is discovering that there is a place for them in technology, particularly those who look like me. Every veteran, military, spouse, entrepreneur, career changer, and individual who has the courage to learn something new. And it doesn't matter what ethnicity, what race, what religion, what background. I love the title of this green tie because the money is green. And it represents every team member, mentor, instructor, board member, volunteer, community partner, sponsor, and supporter who believes in our vision and work alongside us every day. At Tech Elite Training Institute is more than just about technology. It's about access, opportunity, economic, mobility, and changing lives. And we're doing it right now. Every day, we're creating pathways into artificial intelligence, AI for good, cybersecurity, technology, entrepreneurship, workforce development, mentorship, certifications, and paid internship opportunities. We are also implementing a workforce model that changes the game. We represent a workforce and what a workforce development can look like in the age of AI with our new release of AI Genologist. We had to train ChatGPT on what that is and Google. We are also implementing a workforce model that is creating economic opportunities across multiple generations because innovation does not have an age limit. Technology does not belong to young only. And AI does not have to leave any generation behind. I say that because we just got AARP as our client. And we have a 75-year-old woman that had just been an invoice, that she just invoiced over $10,000 last week, which makes her over six-figure income at 75 years old. CQETI Williams for the videotape. And you're gonna hear about a 74-year-old in a minute. And by the way, she trained her grandson, not the other way around. Shout out to Mother CQETI. Cap, you in the house, wave your hand as a witness. We're on every morning meeting with our older and younger generation. We are taking the knowledge, the experience, the skills, the talents, and wisdom, and we're teaching people how to combine those assets with power of AI to create new economic opportunities. When I talk about economic opportunity, I'm talking about real income and six-figure possibilities. This is a multi-generational workforce development that we have created. We rolled it out with the United States Department of Labor, who we are now also married to by contract. We're married, you know, those married people in the house, you know, that you got a marriage license, a contract. So we are married to the Department of Labor and able to now provide nationally, in all 50 states, national registered apprenticeship programs. You're never too old to start over, and I'm talking to the age 55 and over. See us or any of our team members afterwards. As I prepare to close, like the preacher and the preacher before me, your experience, instead of us saying your experience has value, your knowledge has value, now let us add technology to it. At the same time, these younger people are entering into the workforce, learning business career, age 18, age 38, age 58, and as I mentioned, all the way up to 75. And I just talked to a student who wanted to put his 80-year-old grandmother in the program. But you have to come and visit us to witness it. But there is an important part of what we're doing, and I want to speak directly to the business owners and leaders in this room. We're not simply training people for jobs. Our student graduates are trained to provide AI solutions to make businesses work more efficiently, smarter, and increase their bottom line. As Kenneth Evan used to say, the bottom line is the bottom line. So if you're sitting here today and you're wondering, how to get involved. I'm going to have our team stand up. All of our board members, our committee members, our team, our partner mayor stand up. The former mayor of Barstow, California, and First Lady Henrietta. I want to thank you, all of our team. Thank you for this wonderful journey that we've been on together. To our sponsors, our partners, Google, Verizon, Microsoft, Anthem, Medicaid, shout out to Aletta in the back, Anthem. The City of Las Vegas, shout out to Sheena Judy Mitchell and Dr. Tammy Malik, Torque. The state of Nevada, Marcel has been there with us from the beginning. Love and appreciate you. Caesars Entertainment has been with us from the beginning. Camila, thank you. Zappos for Good, to the late Tony Shea, whose shoulders I stand on. He was my first partner, for those who remember the late Tony Shea of Zappos, one of the first to invest and believe in our vision, and we continue to carry out the legacy that we started together. ECF Data, the Martin Family Foundation, Dr. Melanie and Roy Buckner, and our newest sponsor, the Formula One Las Vegas Grand Prix. If you're wondering why this handsome 74-year-old man is standing next to me, this is the Uncle Gary. Make some noise if you've already met the Uncle Gary. I don't need my nose for this one. I found Uncle Gary 9 years ago in Detroit, Michigan. So he's been my uncle for 9 years now. Every computer, every table, every printer, every TV, every monitor, everything was built by Uncle Gary in our technology center of almost 50 computers. This award belongs to him, me, and all of us. And because we're not simply preparing the people for the future, we are bringing generations together. As I said, 74. Oh wait, I do have an 80-some year. Oh wait a minute. Aunt Hattie, stand up. The very first African-American computer business in Las Vegas. I stand on her shoulders. We just celebrated her 80-some birthday. I forgot. Aunt Hattie. They're gonna pull the mic in a minute like the Apollo, so let me hurry up and sit down. So thank you once again. I honor my Aunt Hattie, my late father's sister, who paved the way for me. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for this incredible Green Tie Award. And thank you for believing in Tech Queen Elite Training Institute. And if you want to come see for yourself what we're doing, just find me, Uncle, or wave y'all, any of our Tech Queen Elite Training Institute team. Thank you so much. Thank you, Uncle. Wait, he was going to say something, but I feel the Apollo coming. So, bye.